Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price chart of Microsoft Corporation, and the big question we have here in front of us is whether the correction is already over or there are something which is yet to be seen or some more correction which is yet to happen. So let's analyze this chart with the overall prospect and let us see what do we have here. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now if you are looking at this particular chart, right now I'm talking only about the weekly chart, so we will connect all the immediate and important dots which will help us to understand about the current trend and how it is moving right now. Okay, so this is what we have over here. So the lower end of the range, but obvious, here we are, and more than that we have this one as the upper end of the range, and the stock, I would rather say, moving quite comfortably, or I would readjust this. So this is what we have here, right? So I would rather say this is moving quite comfortably in between the range where it has tested one of the important levels on the downside, which is $250, and started moving higher. But if you are looking at the current trend or the range, we have $244, which is going to be our big support on the downside, because beyond $244, what you gonna, or $240 rather, what you're gonna see here is the stock will definitely retest its 200-day moving average, 200-day SMA simple moving average, which is going to be $200. But if it does not falls below $240 on the downside, then the next swing that we are looking here will be in between 420 and 530. Now let me tell you the problem in a very simple manner. The way the trend has stretched, we do have upside, but you cannot expect that upside to be very much. That's the problem, which means that from the lows of 2015 to the highs of 2021, a huge company like Microsoft has already given you a return of a superb return of 789%. So the next 100% will double the move actually. But whether this will happen or not, and if it indeed move 100%, then what will be the downside which will open us, or which will open in front of us? That's the big question. So this is the current range we have here. Hopefully if it sustains or continue to sustain above $240, we will have this move on the upside. Okay, but let me tell you that this is not going to be a sharp and swift move. This will definitely take time, and hopefully if this range sustains, because see, the problem is the policy measures, and until and unless there is a clarity in US Federal Bank or US Central Bank policy, you will see huge amount of volatility going forward. Okay, and no stock or no sector is going to spared until and unless the stock market gets a clear view. So let's wait for the volatility to settle down, and that's why I'm talking more of a reason which I generally don't. So please save your lower end of the range, or in a short term, please, or in an intermediate term, do not go below $240. If it does, then for the long term you can go for $200 as your next big support or next big buying zone. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.